Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. Pinch with 2 fingers the 2 plastic tabs located in both sides of the arm. Then slide the blade outwards to remove it. Put the arm back down carefully onto a previously positioned folded paper towel. To put in the new one, slide the blade onto its housing. Put the blade onto the windscreen. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, pull towards you in order to free it from its holding bar, then remove the blade. Put the arm back down carefully onto a previously positioned folded paper towel. To put the new one in, simply slide the blade onto its housing. Put the blade onto the windscreen. Operation completed.